Hi, I'm Peter from Heliocol Victoria. I'm a commercial consultant, and in 2016 we were contacted by Loddon Shire to successfully add solar pool heating to the Midiamo and Pyramid Hill swimming pools. I'm here now with Katrina from the Pyramid Hill swimming pool, and Katrina is the swim instructor at that facility. So Katrina, tell me what differences have you noticed between this season just gone and the previous season?
Well, last season it was quite cold, or the previous season before we had the water heating. It was very cold, the chill factor was there, kids weren't happy to get in the water as much. Last season, with the water temperature going up and the heating, it's just been absolutely brilliant. Kids are happy to get in and we've loved it.
And Katrina, how has that enhanced your swimming program in the area?
Well, I've increased in numbers, and the numbers I have had, they've come back for more lessons per week, and everyone's just been happy to use the facility, use the pool. I've had so many comments from family and parents just saying how great it is.
How have the parents reacted to this situation?
They love it. They're getting in the water with their kids. They're not sitting on the sideline anymore. They're having fun. They're experimenting. They're seeing kids with happy faces that are not coming out with cold blue lips and shivering. And it just takes that pressure off that kids are happy to be there.
So Katrina, in summary, it sounds like the project's been a great success for council and the entire town.
Yeah, it's been absolutely fantastic. Everyone loves it. The people love the council for getting it organised, and the town is just so happy that their pool that they put in 50 years ago has now expanded and become absolutely fantastic.
That's great. That's a great story.